If you want your HVAC system to run smooth and save you from crazy energy bills, understanding and checking the Delta T regularly is a total game changer. So, Delta T is basically the difference between the temperature of the air going into your HVAC system and the air coming out. You should check this at least every season, like when you're switching from cooling to heating or vice versa. That way, you catch any issues before they turn into big headaches. If your system feels off or your energy bill spikes, don't wait. Measure that Delta T right away. Keep a simple thermometer or a digital gauge handy to do this job quick and easy. When the Delta T is off from the recommended range, that's a sign something's up. Maybe dirty filters, low refrigerant, or blocked airflow. Fixing these can keep your HVAC running efficiently, saving you money and stress. Basically, making Delta T checks part of your regular HVAC maintenance routine means fewer surprises and better comfort all year long. One of the biggest mistakes people make with HVAC Delta T checks is skipping them completely during seasonal maintenance. That's when most problems start creeping in. Another common slip-up is only checking Delta T when the system already feels broken, which often means repairs cost way more than if caught early. Lastly, many folks don't know the right Delta T range for their specific system, so they either ignore bad readings or try to fix things that aren't broken. To fix these, make sure you schedule Delta T checks twice a year at minimum. Learn or ask your contractor about the optimal temperature difference for your unit, and don't wait for a meltdown to check it. Staying on top of this helps avoid costly repairs and keeps your place comfy no matter the season. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, it helps contractors connect with folks needing work, making the whole process way less stressful for both sides.